In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create gradients in Figma, including linear, radial, angular, and diamond gradients in just 5 minutes. Let's get started by accessing Figma, the popular collaborative interface design tool. First, head over to Figma's website. If you're not logged in yet, you'll need to log in. Locate the login button on the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by the Figma homepage. This way you can navigate all your design files and projects. To get started with our gradient tutorial, make sure you're in the design section. You can find this option prominently displayed on your screen. Click on design to jump into the interface where you can start creating and editing your projects. With the design space open, the next step is to select a shape where you'll apply the gradient. You can select any shape using the shape tools in the toolbar. Feel free to choose a rectangle, ellipse, or any shape you prefer. For this demonstration, any basic shape should work perfectly fine. It's key that you have a shape selected because that's where we'll apply our gradient. Now that you have your shape selected, look over to the right hand side of your screen. Here you'll find the properties panel where the fill option is located. Click on fill to expand the fill settings for the shape you've just picked. This is where the magic happens. Settings for colors and gradients are all managed from here. After clicking fill, you're going to see a color selection tool. Within this tool, there's an option to add a gradient fill. Click on the gradient option to open up the gradient editor. Now we're ready to define your gradient by picking and adjusting the colors. You'll see an arrow down icon in the fill properties alongside the gradient type. Click on this icon to display multiple gradient options. Figma offers a variety of gradient types, so here's where you can select the one that suits your design needs. Try experimenting with linear, radial, angular, and even the diamond gradient to see how they transform your shape. Once you've selected your gradient type, you can click and drag on the swatch to adjust the gradient direction and stop points. This fine-tuning allows you to personalize the blend of colors in any way you'd like. Remember, each type of gradient offers a different visual effect, so feel free to experiment until you have just the right look for your design. And there you have it, you've successfully created a gradient in Figma. Continue experimenting to see how gradients can enhance your design projects. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more Figma tutorials.